Hello, my name is Victoria. I am 23 years old and I love to travel. A lot of people my age and just nowadays it's a lot easier to travel and go places than it used to be in the past. And I'm one of those people that really just enjoy the experience of traveling and seeing different cultures and trying to learn different languages and trying new food. That is like my favorite thing to do in the world. So I've built my life around just trying to make traveling a possibility for me, and I'm just transferring everything that I do, like school and work and that kind of thing, to being virtual basically, because when everything is online, like your schooling and your job, you have the freedom and flexibility to move wherever your heart desires and live there or travel there for as long as you want, because you're still able to be responsible and make money and pay your bills, but you also get to enjoy new experiences in life that just don't come every day when you have the traditional 9 to 5 job lifestyle. So this channel is basically just going to be encompassing and capturing all of the different things I've learned about working online and the different things that I've planned for with living in another country, moving to another country for a while, just learning new languages, stuff like that. So I'm an online tutor and I'm really happy to share just like my own experience with that and how to kind of make that into a business and make, as much money as you can to support yourself while you're traveling. And my husband is a graphic designer and web developer, a website developer, so he does that, I do my thing, and we're able to pick up our stuff and go wherever, whenever. Right now though, because of the coronavirus, flights and residency is a little limited and complicated right now, but once things clear up, we're thinking of moving to Italy for about 6 months to a year possibly, so that will be a really, really interesting experience, and I just want to share that with all of you guys who are watching and wanting some inspiration and motivation to follow your dreams of places you want to go visit and how to make that possible and a reality for you. I also have a cat. His name is Buddy, and he is just your regular household cat or whatever, and he will be coming with us to Italy, and it is possible to take your pet or child abroad as well. If you're in a place where you have kids and pets and stuff, it's still possible. So if it's something you really want to do, there's a way. So I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself in my channel, and I hope you're able to stick around and subscribe so I can share this journey with you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.